Understand that the rough clean sometimes is going to be damn near a demo. Like, it's damn near a clean out. There's sheetrocks, 2x4s, buckets, and like, there's stuff everywhere. YouTube, welcome back. It's your girl Purry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And I just wanted to come talk to you guys about some things that I'm hearing across the industry. When I'm getting called in, you guys are doing one excellent job at going out bidding, asking for the money. Great job, you're getting the money. You're definitely over promising and not understanding exactly what it is, the services that you're supposed to be offering these people. So here's how I want to get you to know that part. When you're bidding on these rough cleans, or the entire process of clean, 3 phases, understand that the rough clean sometimes is going to be damn near a demo. Like, it's damn near a clean out. There's sheetrocks, 2x4s, buckets, and like, there's stuff everywhere, right? And all of that stuff has to get out. It has to be removed. It has to be taken out in order for them to be able to move to the next phase, which is flooring and baseboards, and it's how construction goes. Some of you are literally taking that stuff and stacking it to the side. Bad. Remove it. And you can help yourself. If they don't have dumpsters on site, that's a charge for removal fee. You got to haul off, take it somewhere and pay for it. You can charge them for that. There's an upcharge in that for you. That's number one. Your broom, your regular broom, it'll work, but you got to sweep a lot of times. If you're going to use that broom, understand you got to sweep a lot of times. It's not just going to be one off. Or you get another broom. Your regular vacuum, it's not going to work until you're at the final or powder stage. Okay? Because there's a lot of dust. It's going to clog your vacuum up. Your bags are going to get dirty. It might even bust out on you. So I recommend you guys get an industrial vacuum cleaner if you can. Or if not, just understand it's going to involve a lot of sweeping, a lot of mopping, and sometimes they don't even have hot water on those rough cleans. So you just, you gotta get the floors to a point. Everybody does rough differently. If you come in and do a rough and they got the floors covered, perfect site. I've posted some videos and shown you that. If you come in, you got to do a rough in this slab, like concrete slab, and you got to scrape up fucking drywall mud and stuff, excuse my language, yeah, you're gonna want to add some time for that, because you're scraping it up. You can't back charge for that, but you want to add money because you're gonna have to spend more time on that. I just want you guys to be aware you guys are doing a good job, like I said, of going out, asking for the money, recognizing the opportunities. You guys are winning bids, but you're over promising and under delivering, or you're just straight up not understanding what it is. So for you guys that, oh man, my gray's coming in, I'm loving it. For you guys that can't afford the full course, because the price has gone up even with the 70% discount, I'm creating a smaller condensed version for you guys of the same course. It's going to be the mini course. It's important that y'all get the small things right. You know what I'm saying? It's the little things that count, that make us successful, and that get us repeat callbacks. I'm getting called in to just come in and do some touch-up cleaning, but I'm going to charge the max price. So for them, they're looking at it like, man, fuck, So I just want you guys to be successful. Like I said, it's enough money for everybody out here. We're getting money. Shout out to Justin, Lori, I think it was a Sarah, and a Jeanette. Shout out to you guys for buying the full course, taking advantage of the 70% off. You're appreciated. Be sure when you finish the course to book or send me an email so you can get your free consultation call, and we can talk. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys out here as we get in this cleaning money. You know what I'm saying? So always peace out, clean the effing toilets, and let's get to it.